Hey everyone, welcome to Soap Trend. We hope that everybody is doing well. We have some news to share with you all in today's video. In this episode, we are going to talk about one of our favorite actors from our favorite TV series Heartland, and that's none other than Graham Waddle himself. Why do all the Heartland fans still miss Graham Waddle on the show? Do watch this video till the end to know everything. Our favorite show Heartland returned to CBC on January 10, 2021 for its long-awaited 14th season. After being absent from our screens in 2020, the much-loved longest-running Canadian TV series wasted no time in breaking fans' hearts, as Ty Borden, one of the show's longest-serving characters, unexpectedly died in the episode's opening moments. The episode titled Keep Me in Your Heart then centered on Amy and the Heartland cast closest to Ty, as they mourned his surprise passing. Ty Borden died as a result of deep vein thrombosis. While stabling one of the ranch horses, Ty collapses to the floor with Amy and Jack rushing to his side, but he is unresponsive. The episode cuts to black and then flashes forward 1 year, and we watch on as Amy and the company are still coming to terms with the tragic loss. It's revealed by a doctor that Ty died as a result of deep vein thrombosis, which occurs when a blood clot forms deep inside the body. But why did Ty Borden die? It is because the actor Graham Waddle, who plays Ty on the show, decided to leave. For us, Graham Waddle's departure from the show might seem a decision that he took all of a sudden, but his decision has been a long way coming. In a special message to his fans, the actor revealed that he's been thinking about leaving the show for at least a few years. He said, "I have not taken this decision lightly. I have spent a few years now contemplating and trying to figure out how to honor myself and make this transition and honor the show." Graham Waddle described his departure from the show as a call to move on, to follow his heart. In the past few years, he has started several projects that he truly believes will make a difference in people's lives. He said, "I felt in my heart that it was time to move in a new direction." Similarly, Waddle also expressed how grateful he is for the beautiful chapter in his life that was being on 14 seasons of Heartland. He said that the show has taught him so many life lessons, and he will forever miss working on the set. On the show, people loved the character Ty that was portrayed by Graham Waddle. People loved his personality. At first in the series, Ty is seen as a rebellious and extremely arrogant guy, and he doesn't understand the life that the rest of the gang lives, not used to the family atmosphere. Later, he does give glimpses into his softer side every once in a while. Ty gets matured as the series progresses. We can see the impact that Amy has on him as he really wants to change. Ty is also seen to be protective of the ones he loves the most, and that's genuine. Also, Ty is good with kids, as we have seen him being nice with his nieces, Georgie and Katie. In the series, he shows that he will do whatever he can to help the people around him, and thus he keeps on trying his best until he finally achieves what he wants. Ty also is an amazing and overprotective father, which we have seen with his daughter Lindy. So people miss Graham Waddle because of all these characteristics that his character Ty Borden possessed, and the love story between Ty and Amy was the main reason why people watched Heartland. Because of all these reasons, all the Heartland fans from around the world are still missing Graham Waddle on the show and are still hoping for his sensational return in the future. So this much for today's video. We hope you liked it. We will deliver more news of Heartland as it comes in. We will have all the burning Heartland spoilers, updates and news you're looking for. So visit us regularly. Thank you for checking this video out. We will see each other very soon with another video. If you like this video, give us a like and subscribe to our channel for new videos every day. If you have anything to say, do let us know in the comment section below. We'll make sure to reply to your comments.